enti etwa ni eko 2024 ni mu a na there was something abaje Ghana hanyina aboso, the issue of gay and lesbianism with LGBTQ plus bill. Na Ghana ha obia ye interested because the minority the then NDC for year who did they to Ghana for things ye impese obia bedi nturum enti ye ntunti aban no. Ebusia that time na Ghana so for kukudam edimunt ntima o na ye campaign etia ekufo the NPP government, but now no eba ye no obia ye di gay ho asem no ye jai ka asofo ne nka biem prophet Kofi Oduro waja ho asem ka asofo ne nka biem eno ana yesofu panyini Apostle Agyeming buaten ayi na bufu na obe blast he wa fire Mahama afire Sam George na Ghana asofo no wa blast mu pay yi ayi Penyah broke media mess wa say ni dim obe like video no other ma bodo subscribe button some back the notification con of latest update na be chere wa adwen da ma me e wo comment section so ba so a no share for Penyah bi ahwe enti na NDC 40 akonya so no ana LGBTQ plus e be your topic for discussion estate at a miss time eme ho no atamika so no oh ma kwa mo bia ni tunum ko na mro from the pressure eba Obama mo the pressure nkwase pressure eba no Obama mo the nkwase pressure eba se ye ma kwa mo ye ni tunum ema atamika say there be oh ma kwa eme ni tunum but wa anya mra bia entia emu na Mahama se beja kunya 2012 etima beje ye no na eno so that topic for discussion asaba ana that time na Sam George ene Mahama the communication specialist ene we say oye philosophy ko ache presidential staff for communication on a boy Juma or Mahama the customer for the spokesperson Sam George go PM joy news ever when I say na e say gay and lesbianism and some na aba no wa ban e de na mo ya fa ho Sam George ka say on no man na wotimo no ya the constitution and the bu o man no and the constitution gives everyone a right to do whatever that the person wants provided it will not lead to infringe upon the right of other people. Obia was the right to do whatever that they want. And as I can see to pain say, I didn't quite was a wasted time to discuss issue of gay and lesbianism. Brian, what other important issues to discuss?
Speak about this matter.
I hope myself too.
I believe that this matter has been overflogged and it is being pushed just to suit a certain parochial political agenda. See, irrespective of my personal opinions on homosexuals, the constitution of this country remains supreme.
More course, please.
The constitution remains supreme, and the constitution of this country enjoins that everybody has rights and that their rights are protected. It's actually one of the preambles to the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana, the International Declaration of the Rights of Persons, and all of that. You know, and so the point is, the Constitution determines that every human being should have rights.
Okay.
It doesn't go ahead to break down if the human beings should be straight or gay.
That is for the country to determine, individual countries.
Yes, that is for individual countries to determine. Look, Ali, I believe that the amount of time we have, and this is a challenge to the Ghanaian media. I think the media is the fourth estate of the realm.
Of course.
And they have a duty of entertaining and educating people at the same time. Okay. Edutainment, they call it. We must pick issues which are of necessity to the Ghanaian people. The amount of airtime we have wasted, I call it wasted, not spent. Talking about gays. When we have pertinent issues of water, pertinent issues of power, we have potential petrol prices going up. Look, those are the things which bother the Ali or what?
Everybody, the truck pusher,
everybody,
the shine boy, Kaya.
Akwele who sells Kelewele, or is it Enyonam Bush Canting? Look, those are the issues.
Beans.
They don't care whether the president's friend who published his book is gay. No, they want to have potable drinking water. These are the things we must be discussing. How, as a country, we can have consensus and move forward and solve this problem.
In 2015. Ana Sam George can sing me. Wanya mera bia nkotia gay ni lesbians e wo Ghana. Wo ka kwa yemfa nto ba bi ehu hia, yemfa nto nchen. That same Sam George na kan that same no. Ye to betie wom ko tena fie. Na ye nim de asie. Na Sam George na be ye mastermind. Ono na de bill ne call parliament. Ono na mamuo mu. Obogu ye no. Sam George na kwa tena asie. the bill no call parliament say bill dey say MP before ntimi sign but yen fan ko sinse o mu ko mu na yen fan ko sabotage o mu government no e no mo dey sa do e ba Ghana parliament e no be ye de e wo Ghana ha e ma Sam George gigira mu kokotako na wo ye demonstration hodo oba no ayere pampe o ye demonstration hodo kokotako abusia ye hu dey say because of that Ghana so for good am nyina no e do mu ji mu e ma indirectly secretly o me campaign etia ba o me akona ba o me na e kwa akopere omi campaign etia ba omi ase ne enko to Mahama do ashazo for boss oba obesan but busin be sin ne 1 year twam yere mama tena kunya so 1 year twam LGBTQ plus bill yentin wasem biem Sam George de call parliament no waye di waja ho asem ka asofo okuku de wo Ghana ha no mo enka LGBTQ plus bill ho asem biem nyame hwɛ mo asofo okuku dam buttons akese omoja ho asem ka Prophet Kofi Oduro enka ho asem biem waja eka enhu hia ne biem when MPP was in power Prophet Kofi Oduro was interested but now MPP is not in power LGBTQ plus enhu hia ne biem waja ho asem ka ama nansi akoba se yedi ko wura school mu se nkoda nu nkosua elders of Penyah Apostle Agyeming boas say hwe ehene ha Ghana so for mo hefa LGBTQ plus bill adan na moja ho asem ka hey Sam George adan na moja ho asem ka ene so for Penyah afa ya pa
Afei tiebie 2024 campaign and God knows why all these things are happening. 2024 campaign. BB by a near friend LGBTQ plus bill. Listen to me. And the Agyeming said presenters knows the truth, but they are being so political, so they cannot even tell the truth. Me who presenters are role as presenter. Ya keso be en semtronia or shishem ehunu no kore any atro. But then and na ye time we no. This particular era we no. We don't have journalism. We have party presenters. Party presenters. 2024. Bill your friend LGBTQ plus bill became one of the reasons why Ghana rose up so serious and voted against MPP. And then MPP party leader Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, it was one of the reasons why Ghana voted against MPP. Economically, things were hard. The dollar rate was high. So there was no way MPP could have won that election. It is a fact. But Adiba Ghana for Gina to Abapa. LGBTQ plus. The fact that I am a servant of God does not mean I am not the voice of the nation. No. Yehunu asofwa kesia the LGBTQ plus. A year campaign against MPP. I am not against them. I am against what they did and what they are doing now. Big men of God in Ghana.
This is Angel 102.9.
AUSU LGBTQ plus. And the year campaign serious to the extent of the then MP and now Minister of Information, Sam George, I can sama kesiye bebree. Asofo bi tisa Prophet Kofi Oduro. Asofo bi tisa Reverend Kumchacha, Odifo Kumchacha. Asofo kesiye at the LGBTQ plus bill. We are in 2026, 1 year now. Do we still have the same men of God in Ghana? Why are we selling our clerical for money? Do we still have the same bold men and women of God that use LGBTQ plus as a campaign message against MPP? Do we still have these same bold men of God in Ghana? Emu presenters, radio journalists are hard work, and you shoot the same thing, and everybody is behaving as if the bill is already signed. Nobody is talking about it again. Are we safe as a country? It is here the Asafri, Kaisa, Reverend Wingam, Assemblies of God, so Pennymunado Mujim. And then now everybody is behaving, there is no bill. Call it LGBTQ plus. Is this what Christianity is all about? Why are we being unfair as men of God? Money is not everything. Don't let money shut your mouth. If it is not good for the ganja, it must not be good for the other one. Yaya politics ama abe wura sorry them and no wura sorry them unya sabi nyame asem papa bi antie. Yeah, did the whole service measure politicians won't come. And then now everybody is quiet. LGBTQ plus bill has been signed 2025. Yeah, sign my din. Nyame shamu. God is watching you people. Nyame shamu. Me metie. Enya sophobia na ne de omo working semefia. Yeah. Nyame nkan ya wuntumi nyon or cancel bless one beko. But the truth must always be the truth. Some of you is a disappointment to the clergy. Some of you are very disappointment. Ye dede wo ho 1 year ni obi anka ho asem bi because e bi no ma men. Onyame hwa yo. God is watching everybody. And before the judgment seat of God, your friend is saying, Nyame temu adwa nanim no yenim bishop yenim evangelist yenim reverend yenim prophet before the judgment seat of God yenim eye wona de no kore enante ye. Money has bought the church. Money has bought the church. Mini politics a chikura me started the chire 1992. Professor Edubuahin time or ye papa wenyan baby ko Jerry John Rawlings time. And in a man be see ya papa ko forso. And in a man be see ya papa Atamils John Mahama mo ekoi enwa samba. MPP money ade me di politics chia but ma bedroom pempen so bia. Sir me a politician pa and I me what MPP and come film me cast matchro. That political party, most of them you're ungrateful. Now the entire me cast ani say minia pa na se me ben me obi a me ye Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ni bushye ni bi a me ben na kameka chense onfa MPP for party mom no free. They are ungrateful. 2012 Nanado I picked Dr. Baumi and the running mate. I remember party Penifo Abra election win 2012 election MPP 14 say and you may be unco yenti omo nkonto kombe challenge your court MPP Penifobia ene almost see Dr. Mahmoud Baumia eye nodna or you Muslim. Obama party na lusu say poto into muinyano. These men were sitting in their comfortable homes, and this young man single-handedly stood in court defending the election results for MPP. Where were these people? You see, me one type bia upo be a nipa echa ne ho ahia I didn't cause so much pain more. I am one of them. A nipa didi wie yankasa nwie ohima bi me ko hunu ni video ewo TikTok I sing for him ani bi kasa so bitterly about Dr. Bawumia say, "Oh, ye mate, no so be di mate, a home free honko." Na baby a him for mo level abedu no. Baby a him for mo level abedu no. Enipa nkaya de. Now why na catch them some people lose Dr. Bawumia ntina Ghana for tutiamo. The level of arrogance from the root to the highest level. Party penifo big statement on making for Dr. Bawumia. Nanka wana emetomano. Se man ni ye minua kame panichew. O ye mi busu ni bian kame panichew so on ne yere. Omunya MPP party mfanchom. Because the insult, the disgrace is becoming so much. Anya bikurano. This man single-handedly, when everybody is enjoying with their families, 2012 was standing in the court defending the party. Where were these people? Bibia Bawumia. Who roll out play Nadia? Let's assume say Ghana form paper. And another thing that is killing me so much. Any religion omasandia be with them. Dr. Bawumia nodna or ya ceremony eti Ghana yama ceremony medi say Christianity. It's all about asa and kamejai Christosom. Christianity has nothing yadi discriminating krofomu. Ghana nya Christophobia nya cremophobia eya urade dia. And God is not against Islam. God is never against Islam. And yet utin semni biyomo comfort Dr. Bawumia nume bisa se nipa kaya diana. The whole Ghana, as I am talking to you now, se wuyi His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Freewa. Ghana nyanseni biyabe hunu se omampeni Mahama ewie na juma. The only person hunu said your tie in terms of governance and everything. We Dr. Bawumia Freewa apart from Mahama enye. And if there is anybody Ghana can trust the future after say omampeni Mahama bewie na juma. Uyi Bawumia Freewa enye why be na de neba. Let us stop being so bitter. Let us stop being so bitter and see the realities on the grounds. I didn't need part time Bawumia to the extent of a dear boning kwana Bawumia why day. I want one party members. Etimidine to a paso horror no on one party members. Wow. If this is the national, my friends say MPP near day, National Day, New Patriotic Party, right? If this is what you people call patriot or something, you kept New Patriotic Party, it means that you'll be there. So where is the hatred coming from? MPP was not only formed by the Ashantis. The Dongo, your friend is saying, Buzia Foni Nina was part of the fundamental basis of MPP. Or tiny too much. And sometimes I pity Dr. Bawumia. And if I were to be him, Nasen Kobetia, Onya MPP 4 party in Famom, and then they will see 2024 campaign. Alan Chiramatin, your friend say, Canada, Japan, essay Penyah. Enti, Bawumia na Mamulusi Anaso Monsem. Omudina Tamsupa Noa. And the same people stood on the campaign stage in Ghana for office. Sabi wama jini wa form said yamuka yenyi nechi. Ombesa bisa kwa tuama Dr. Bawumia. MPP lost the election not because of only Dr. Bawumia, but the entire leadership, the entire party rose up against one person. Let us stop being so bitter. Let us stop being so bitter. And now so far you know uko social media what is happening to this country? And now so far na chere de you say nyame so obedi o man so what is my right say me vote? If God says this, now me right as a voter any day. Mumma ɔtan so nte MPP nimguase ne dɔɔso too much too much. Dr. Baumia wakum nipa ɔde ka abu obi wagye obi yere na ɔno ani party timi di na temwa ɛdeɛ nko a MP se lusu amu siti nyinara gye ene mom lusu ye gye odi amontena na mununu mo honsere na delegates mummise nyame mamu obi hunahuna mo delegates mummise nyame because mama ni anaho na mumma tribe sembe mua muba regret it said ye say party ni begu no uvisa ankofo ka ho munim de omo ka ho muba regret it.
The comment section. Penyah Block Media. Accra.